Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this beautiful look, and today we are playing with Give Me Glow Cosmetics. I came across an ad on Instagram and I was really intrigued by a metallic shade that they had, and I went on the website, and from there it spiraled out of control. Like, there were just so many pretty things. I did pick up shadows. That was the only thing I picked up, and I'm going to show you guys some of the shades that I picked up. I didn't swatch anything, but I promise you guys that I will do that in the next tutorial that I film. But I have to say that I'm really loving the way that this turned out. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, let's go. Alright guys, so today we're going to be playing with some Give Me Glow Cosmetics, and I'm really excited because Instagram finally recommended something that intrigued me. So I went a little crazy. I purchased all of these shadows from them. I purchased mostly their shimmer shades. That's usually what calls my attention because I feel like they had something that was different and that looked really metallic, and I was curious about those, so I picked up a few. And then I picked up 5 matte shades. This is what the shades look like. So I have some orange peach shades. I have a peach one in the palette, and then I have this really dark brown. So today, and then I saved the packaging to show you guys. Just like, look at how cute this is. This is basically what their branding is. And I just want to show you guys how freaking adorable the packaging is, because I love how colorful it is. At first I thought it was all the same colors, and then I realized that they had different shades. So I really love the packaging. The sizes are ridiculous. These guys were $7, not on sale, $7. And look at how big these palettes or these pans are. They're humongous. So I am going to start by taking Tiger Lily, which is this really beautiful peachy shade, and I'm going to use that with a fluffy brush. So I did a little bit of research. This is a Black-owned brand, and the owner of the company started her business out of curiosity and love for makeup, and then having a baby. She had a newborn at the time, and she was really worried about how she was going to provide for her child. And so she took, the story says that she took the last, the last couple of dollars she had in her account, and she invested on a kit to make lipsticks, and then started an Etsy shop, had a few sales, and then just one day decided to make glitters. And it was in that moment that her company took off. My skin is still going through a very dry moment, so you'll have to excuse my patchiness. So I'm going to take Fierce, which is just a deeper peachy shade, and I'm also going to apply that into the crease and then also bring that into the inner corner. So far, I have to say that I'm not disappointed in the pigmentation, the blendability. So I'm going to take Orange Soda Pop, and I am just going to add that. Whoa. I barely touched this shadow. We're going for an orangey peach vibe today, guys. And then I'm just blending. These blend out very nicely. They're very pigmented. They're smooth. They're not patchy. This eye will be patchy though, but that is not the quality of the shadow. That's just that my eye is peeling. And I'm just pressing this color and then blending up. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and just really blend this inner corner, because you guys know that I always say it, I have a little bit of a sagging situation happening here, and it tends to get stuck in the little wrinkles. Wow. I love this. This shade alone, whoa. But all of them together, when I was going through them, I'm like, I saw like purples and greens and stuff, and I'm like, you know, I'm already going ham with the shimmer shades, and I didn't want to purchase them. I'm telling you guys, I've never heard of the company, never have seen anyone use them or review them. So I was kind of taking a risk, and I didn't want to go crazy. But I'm glad that I did, because these shades are amazing. So anyway, the point of my story was I was getting ready to tell you guys that I wanted to get just like a variety of different shades, and then I see that I end up with like oranges and peaches, and I love that color. So, you know, I'm good, but I'm like, you could have stepped out a little bit. You could have gotten like a blue, a purple, a pink. I will, though. I will definitely continue supporting this brand. So I'm looking at this and I'm leaning more towards this row here and maybe something from here. Let's go with the gold. This is Coconut Slushy. It's super metallic, and I'm going to take this with my finger. And look at this, guys. I'm going to take a brush and then just place that, and then really get into the crease, and then again press that on the lid. Looking at this, I'm going to take a little bit of Bronzed Bombshell, and I am going to just layer it over the center, so it just deepens this gold a little bit here. You really can't see it, but it's pretty. So now I'm going to go back into the brush that had the orange shade, and I'm just going to blend the gold back into the orange, and then that's going to help blend and diffuse these shades so that they don't look choppy. And again, taking my flat brush, I'm just going to make sure that I am covering the space and defining the eye some. I want to go in with this dark brown shade that I bought, but I like the way that this looks. It gives me like sunrise vibes. This is Dark as My Soul. I love that. And I think I am going to take a little bit of this. Let's just see. This looks very dry, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am a little bit concerned, but it's applying nicely. Not as even or as dark as I thought, but it's building up nicely. It's more of a sheer matte. So far this is the only one that I'm kind of like meh. And again, taking my brush with the orange, just going to blend. And again, this eye is going to look patchy because of my dry skin on my lid. This eye looks really nice though. I promise you guys I will do a look with some of the more fun shades. So I'm just going to take that brown and I'm going to apply it to the lower lash line using a flat brush. And I'm going to just smoke my lower lash line out with this. Very pretty. It does blend out really nicely. I just feel like on the lid it did, or on the top lid, it didn't really apply as evenly. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do some liner, and then we'll come back to finish the rest of, nope, let's not do that yet. I'm going to wet my brush, and I'm going to apply the gold shade. Wow. I'm going to use the opposite side. I'm going to go back into that bronzy shade and then just lightly pat it onto the center. Alright guys, the last shade I'm going to use today is called Highlight, and it is a frosty white highlight shade. I am going to take a very small amount of this and then plop it right under the arch and blend it back. That's really pretty. It's so sheer and yet it's very obvious and vibrant. Very nice. I'm gonna quickly do a quick blend because you guys know that when you're blending, you're never done. All right, guys, here is the final look. Let me tell you guys that for $7, you are getting amazing quality. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see the shine on my eyes, but they are so metallic and beautiful. And some of them swatch a little chunky, but to be honest with you guys, once you get them on your eyes, or if you wet them with a little bit of water or Fix Plus or whatever you use, you end up getting this beautiful, smooth finish. I am beyond happy to have discovered this or to have been introduced to this line. I think it's really stunning. I think it's great quality. And can we talk about the size of the pan? Like, these are the sizes, these are the size of a blush. Like, these are pretty big. So I want to show you guys, I have a MAC shadow, a loose shadow, for comparison purposes. These are humongous, and they are on the website. You can find a ton of different color combinations and options, matte formulas, you know, this really metallic finish formula. Like, you can find anything, and I really picked the colors that really caught my eye, with the exception of the mattes, because again, I wanted to focus more on the shimmer shades. And this is what I picked out. Of course, I would have my purpley, lilac blue shades. This green, just, it would not leave me alone. Like, I kept seeing it and I'm like, where are you really gonna wear that to? But I just thought it would be fun to have. And these two purpley shades look similar, but they're not. They're different. One is more of a pinky purpley shade and the other one is more of a true purple. And then of course your standard champagne gold bronze shades, because I figured that if I liked the quality, these would be great additions to my kit, because they're pretty standard for bridal makeup, so you can't go wrong. Again, I'm really happy with the products. The brand also has liquid lipsticks, highlighters, I think blush, I can't recall, shadows, and they have, which I did buy, a glitter glue. So I wanted to get this because the only glitter glue I have is a Too Faced one, and this one's unique because it's a clear gel. I've already played with it, and it's a really good quality product. So I have nothing negative to say. I'm really excited to try more things out, to really get to know the brand, and also provide you guys with an option that isn't going to break the bank. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. Please let me know down below if you have any questions. Like I said, I will be doing some tutorials with some of the more adventurous shades, and I have to say that I'm really happy with the way that this look turned out. I'm happy with just like how insanely shiny my lid looks. So thank you guys so much. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I upload 3 videos a week, and I would also love for you guys to subscribe and hit that like button because it does help my channel. Please leave a comment down below letting me know what shade I should use next. Let me give you your options. Shall I use the green? Shall I use the blue, the periwinkle, the lilac? Let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.